how to create a weightlifting accessories store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform for free. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account. So here, just open a new window in your search or in your browser, then click on Shopify or enter Shopify, then click on the first link, and here click on the first link again. Then you will proceed to this page. So just click on start free trial, then enter your email, then you will have your account created. After that, this will be your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your store. So here in your left, you have all of the buttons that you will need. So you have the home button, the orders button. So here you can see all of your orders, your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time, the delivered orders. And here in the products, you can add new products or you can import products from the other stores. Then we have the customers, the content, and the analytics. And this analytics is very important. It's where you're going to see all of your data. You can see your total sales in here, the online store conversion rate, the online store sessions as well, the average order value. So you can see all of those data in here. Then we have the online store. It's where you're going to change, or it's where you're going to customize your theme, to customize how your store is looking like. So as I said, guys, we're going to see how the store is looking like. So here, click on view your store. And here you will see how the store is looking like. This is our store and this is how it looks like. And here, let's close this one. And I'm using right now a theme named Publisher. And here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see the other themes. So first, let's remove this one from here. Click on remove. And then let's proceed and click on visit theme store to see all of the themes, all of the available themes that we can use. Let's close this one in here. Click on visit theme store again. And here you will be able to see 173 themes, and most of them are paid themes, but we have 12 free themes. So we're going to check the free ones. So here, by scrolling down, you'll be able to see all of the free themes that we have in here. So let's check if we can find a theme that fits the weightlifting accessories niche. So here we have Sense. It's a theme related to skincare. Refresh, it's also a theme related to hair and skincare as well. And here we have Ride. It's about surfing boards. Then we have Down. It's about handbags. Origin is about bags. Spotlight, caps. The other ones, this one is about craft, taste, studio. And this one is about fashion and clothing. So I'm going to use, I think, let's check the Ride. Surfing is a sport, a distinct dynamic theme that champions the world of sports. So here, let's click on view demo store in order to see how this theme is looking like. So here we have the surfing boards. Nathan Florence joins the Ride theme. So here I'm going to try this theme, why not? So it's installing right now. Just close the first window, you will not need it anymore. And here, wait for it to be installed. Close this one in here. and scroll down, click on publish to make it your current theme. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading right now. Click on publish and click on publish again, and then click on customize. Then we will proceed to changing everything about our theme. So the amazing thing about this platform is that you will not need any special skills or anything related to that in order to create a decent store in this platform. You will just need to scroll down, and whenever you see something that you'd like to change, just stop and click on it. Then you will be able to change it in your lift. So for example, here let's start with the announcement bar. So here I'm going to change the announcements. Let's turn this on, the auto rotate announcements. Let's change the time frame from 5 seconds to 4. Then let's go back and let's change what's written inside this announcement bar. Let's go with free shipping worldwide, and then let's go back, add another announcement. Let's go with 50% off today only, for example. Then let's go back, and here watch it right now. It's going to switch between these two announcements every 4 seconds. So guys, that's just an example of how you can change, of how easy it is to change things in this platform. So here, for example, we have the header. Let's change the logo position from the middle center to the top center, like this, and then go to the theme settings, click on logo, then click on select image if you already have a ready logo in your gallery. If not, you can just go to explore free images. Then you can choose whatever image you'd like. For example, let's go with fitness and sports. Let's choose this one, and let's click on select to have it as our logo. So that's just an example. Just make sure, guys, when you're done with the changes, make sure to click on save to save all of your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.